All right, guys, let's try this again since my mic wasn't working on the first time. This is my 55 Chevy Bel Air. I had a 5.3 and a turbo 400 in it, and it was cool. It went 13.1, it went 13.2, I'm sorry. It went 13.2 at like 104, and it ran good. There was a little room for improvement, but it wasn't bad. I decided it wasn't enough, so I put a TKX. I got a TKX 5-speed for it. I haven't put it in yet. Give you a little rundown on this thing. There's the new trans. Got the Holly kit. I took a 2018 Audi SUV sunroof and I cut a giant hole in the top of this thing. Don't worry, guys, it's a 4-door. Before you get all mad at me, it's just a 4-door. And yeah, so I put an 18 Audi SUV. I think it's a Q7 or something is the sunroof that's in it. But the whole front half of it opens up, which is pretty cool. And the shader comes forward and shuts and gives you a little privacy when it's too hot. Building brackets all for it today. Finally got the top of this thing sitting right about where I want. I need this to come up just a smidge more because it's only about 1/8 of an inch down, but it's about 1/8 of an inch down all the way around, which is kind of how I wanted it. I'm gonna have it a little bit low so that way it doesn't make a bunch of wind noise, hopefully. But don't use POR 15. If you guys are using POR 15 to treat your rust, it's not going to treat it, just so you know. Fair warning. What else we got? So this thing it was originally Neptune blue and white, but the old boy I got it out of Nevada. The old boy that I got it from was super cool. He gave me a good deal on it. Couldn't pass it up. It had a little small block in it, but I put the LS in it. It went 14.4. 14.4 at like 96 with the small block Chevy, and it had a 350 camel hump heads. It was super old school. It was a cool combination, but it was just not enough. So now it's getting a heads cam, 6-liter AFR 255s, Truck Plus from Richard Holdner, and it's getting the full Denma kit from VS Racing. We're gonna do a turbo LS in this thing now with the 5-speed. Should be a good time. I've just been trying to collect all the parts for the fuel system, and since it was carbureted before, now it's going to be it'll be a pretty big change up. I think I'm shooting for low 600s. I got a rear end coming forward as well. Damn! Intercooler's in. Poked a couple holes for each side. Curved around so it'll make it back to this intake once the intake's in position on the engine. Making progress. We're complete long block now, at least, minus oil pan. I gotta get a bung welded in the oil pan for the drain. Here's the turbo. Little VS Racing 7875. Just a little guy. And I have to redo the whole fuel system in it, and we're pretty close. I'm running out of time, so I hit up old Amazon and ordered a bunch of stuff through Amazon, so we'll see how it goes. I don't know if these pumps are going to last or not. I got a couple extras just in case. I'm going to run 2 pumps, one for standard driving around, then I'll have another one kick on over like 25 or 30% of TPS or something. Haven't figured it out yet, but top's in. All the braces are done now, finally. Next thing is going to be trying to hook up the transmission to the engine. Got the bell housing. It's all, I said Holly kit earlier. I meant to say it was a Holly clutch kit that came with the TKX. So, all right, updates. Here we go. Thanks everyone for watching. Have a good day.